Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to fix Freecash tracking issues. In order to do this, you just simply need to go over to settings. We have our settings icon right here. We're going to tap on it, and at the bottom you can see the search bar. So you just simply need to search for Freecash. Of course, as we typed in Freecash, you can see Freecash right there. Go ahead and tap on it, and right here you see some options. The last option is the allow tracking option. It's currently toggled off, and you'll need to toggle this on if you'd like to fix the Freecash tracking issues. Now, why is this important? If your tracking is not turned on, this will affect how Freecash refers tasks or surveys that will be great for you depending on your location and the general user experience. So you want to tap on the toggle to allow tracking, and it's going to have this confirmation button, allow tracking, allow this app to track you across apps and websites owned by other companies. Because guess what? Freecash actually needs that in order to provide you with tasks that can be rewarded that you'll be going to other platforms to fulfill. So you want to say allow, and there you have it. Of course, you want to refresh your Freecash by closing it and open it again, and then you can expect to have the Freecash tracking issues resolved. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.